Participating in arts and culture creates a stronger society, creates stronger communities. Project Audience, by enabling individuals such as yourself to participate in arts and culture, we're helping to build a stronger democracy, a stronger community, a stronger sense of civic pride, a stronger sense of civic engagement.
A developer, planning to go into a community and has a really good lens onto what kind of cultural activities are happening, that development is going to be planned differently.
Right.
It's going to encourage that activity because we know healthy communities are where a lot of culture takes place. And so how it changes other people's thoughts about how culture affects their community, their neighborhood, or you have a highly served community of culture, and you map that you don't have available transportation
right.
that is coming to that area. That's going to change the
The
dialogue.
ramifications for things like how you get people places, how do you deliver services are huge.
So it no longer becomes isolated.
And it's about urban development, something I hadn't really thought about till just now is, you're an entrepreneur, you want to start a restaurant.
Yeah.
Well, where do restaurants thrive? Restaurants thrive where people go out.
Right.
Right. So then you can look at it and go, okay, you can say, well, there's a bunch of cultural activity here. It's also a rapidly growing neighborhood from a demographic point of view. Maybe this is a place for me to open my business.
We look at ways to use data to reinforce what we think is the underlying value proposition of the arts and try to get perceptions about the arts shifted so that it's seen as more of a positive and integrated asset for communities as opposed to previous perceptions where it was seen more as a kind of nice add-on or something like that. I think the arts offer a lot more than that, and I think data helps us tell that story. We've also really tried to hammer home in our different reports and research communication is that the arts are taking on more and more responsibility for making things accessible, making things affordable, making sure that everyone has access to arts education, arts activities.